Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors. Today I have a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8 with only 80,000 miles. This is a one-owner SUV with a clean Carfax, no accidents, and an excellent service history. It's also rust-free and non-smoker and has been very well cared for. Engine lifters have also been replaced using genuine OEM Mopar parts. Under the hood, it's powered by the 6.4-liter V8 HEMI paired with the four-wheel drive, delivering performance and capability that make the SRT8 such a unique SUV. Being an SRT8, it comes equipped with SRT-tuned adaptive suspension with Selec-Track driving modes, Brembo performance brakes, 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, and steering wheel mounted paddle shifters. Inside, it features a heated flat-bottom steering wheel, Nappa leather and suede sports seats, heated front and rear seats, ventilated front seats, carbon fiber trim, navigation, Uconnect, reverse camera, and much more. In today's video, we'll do a full walk around, show you the interior and everything working and operational, and take it out on the road for a test drive. So let's get started. Let's start with a walk around of the Jeep so you can see the overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
You have like a little, I don't know how you would describe it, like a little crack right here in the paint. Like another little one right here. Headlights look super clear. Front grille is really nice. Front bumper's got some rock chips and a little bit of bug damage. You can kind of see that right here. It's got 80,000 miles. It's a 2012, so it's a really nice SUV overall, but it's gonna have a little character. You can see it's got some rock chips. But I'm gonna point everything out to you guys. I don't want any surprises, so you know exactly what you're getting. Front fender looks really nice. A little touch up right here on the bumper. Has Michelin Pilot Sport all seasons all the way around. Plenty of tread life left. Really nice tires. Really expensive tires. Front door looks really good. A little touch up right there. Back door looks nice. Couple little light scratches. Some rock chips right here. You can see that as well. Quarter panel looks really nice. Super nice tires all the way around. Tailgate looks really nice. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. You can kind of see it right here. Previous owner had like a magnet or a sticker of some kind right here. You can still kind of see it a little bit. So just so you guys know, that is there. Rear bumper is really nice. Couple of light scratches, nothing out of the normal. See, we have our dual exhaust, tail, tow receiver hitch. rock chips right here. Front door looks really good. There's a little ding right here. I don't know if I pointed that out. And the molding right there. Front fender looks really good.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you everything in more detail.
You have our carbon fiber trim all the way around the inside. It's a really nice touch. Automatic windows. Seats are in really good shape for the mileage. Power seat, let's show you working. See it moves forward and back, it reclines, then goes up and down, and all the good stuff. So see all that working. Rear seat's in really nice condition as well. We have a power tailgate. Plenty of room in here. These rear seats do fold down as well. You can see them folded down in the pictures. You have a power outlet back here, as well as little storage cubbies, a little flashlight, and this is our button to lower tailgate. Underneath here we do have our spare tire, jack, tools, and some storage space. So really nice. Back here you can see we do have rear heated seats, as well as a AC power outlet, rear air conditioning. Also have rear entertainment. See the screen working. That's a really nice feature as well. check out our front driver's seat. See, it moves forward and back, it reclines, goes up and down. So all those positions work. Do have a power telescopic steering column, so you can see that working as well. All right, let's get inside. All right, so this does have a smart key. I did have it running, so I'm going to turn it off so you guys can see that there's no lights on or anything like that. See, no warning lights. Engine sounds really good. All right, let's take a look around. See, we have automatic driver's side window. See that working. Passenger side as well. See, the rear window is working. So all that works. Do have power mirrors. They're heated and have blind spot. You see them moving up and down and left and right. I'm gonna put them back so I can see what I'm doing when I leave. Same thing, up and down and right and left. So you can see all that working as well. All that works. Coming over on this side, we do have our automatic high beams. Our automatic headlights, as well as our fog lights by pushing that button in. So they're all automatic. Here is your fuel release. Let's check out our radio. Do have navigation here. Let's see the map. Speakers sound really good. It does have a backup camera as well. That works really good. Ice cold AC. Let's check out all the fan speeds. So you can see that's all working. We do have ventilated and heated seats, so also a really nice option here. Heated steering wheel. This is for the power outlet in the back with parking assist as well. Have a little cubby, some storage cubby down there. And our shifter, some cup holders. So really nice. Oh, that one. There we go.
Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well it performs and how it feels out on the road. wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.